Let's look at transformers. So we've got a model transformer here. What transformers do, they're very good devices at using electromagnetic induction. So a transformer has got an iron core, and for A level, you need to know that this iron core is better if it's laminated and it's in sheets, okay? We'll leave that for A level. On the left side, that's called the primary coil. On the right side, that's called the secondary coil, which you can actually reverse. So how does it work? And I want to show to you that on my primary side, I have got around 10 turns. So I'm going to put that in here, that's 10 turns. Notice that the electricity is not directly connected to the secondary coil. So the coils do not actually touch. So what links them? Well, what actually links them is the magnetic field. There's a change in magnetic field here from the AC that cuts across the secondary coil and it induces an EMF like we've seen previously. However, the iron core permeates that field much better. And let's have a look. So I'm actually using 1 volt. I'm actually supplying 1 volt to my transformer, but look how much is coming out. 30 volts. So that's 3 times as high. That's interesting. There's an equation for that for GCSE. I also want you to notice that if I take the iron core off, we don't get 30. So the iron core helps in making the magnetic field link to the other side. One more thing that we're going to try and do is connect that to DC, and let's see what happens. Any predictions? There you go. 0.3 and around 1. So very, very small change in the actual voltage because our DC may not be a proper constant, maybe fluctuate a little bit. Transformers don't work with DC, they only work with AC. And over here, we've got a different one. So this, as you can see, in this example, the iron core is just a square. So you got the left side, you got the right side. Sometimes what they do, they mount the wires, the primary coil and the secondary coil right in the middle. And sometimes that just allows for a good connection, good flux linkage to the other side.